Welcome to Pete's Place. Yeah, it's stuff. Here at Pete's Place, we're gonna go somewhere, talk about it, have some fun, and grab a snack.
A lot of things are blue. My shirt's blue.
The sky is blue. My shoes are blue. Kitty Cat's drinking bowl is blue that she drinks out of. The blue part of the American flag is blue. But Blue Ridge, Georgia is not blue. It sits next to the Tennessee-North Carolina border.
This is Pete's Place and stuff. In Blue Ridge, Georgia. I'm in Blue Ridge. I forgot my sunglasses.
There's a pretty cool looking train in Blue Ridge. Blue Ridge is a neat town. I like exploring these neat towns. But let me eat a healthy breakfast first.
I'm standing in front of a train.
Roosters crossed the road here in Blue Ridge.
It's pretty hot here in Blue Ridge. I have to squint again because no sunglasses.
Oh, I'm taking video?
Yeah, do both. It doesn't matter.
I've been taking several short videos.
They used to call me Sasquatch in my college days. Blue Ridge seems to be a pretty dog-friendly town. They got doggies and water dishes all over the place. I'm 50% sure they like ice cream in Blue Ridge. Blue Ridge has a pretty neat park. I guess it's kind of cool. Blue Ridge, home of the Statue of Liberty. Thank you for liking and subscribing.